Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to use Wix to make a portfolio. So the first thing we're going to do is go to wix.com, and then it's going to bring us to our dashboard. And in the top right hand section of the screen, there's going to be three dots for site actions. You click that, and it's going to say create a new site. So click on that because that's what we want to do. And it'll bring us to a prompt. If we want to use AI chat to create it, we're going to set it up without. And here it's going to ask us what type of website we want to create. As stated, we want to make a portfolio, so we're going to click on that. Let's say a journalist portfolio. And hit continue. And it's going to bring us to a page where we're going to fill in questions about our website. We're actually going to skip all of this and get to the meat of it. So I'm going to hit skip and skip the goals for the site, what apps we're going to add, and it says we're all set. So now we're going to continue back to our dashboard. And right here on the top right hand side of the screen, we see design site. So we're going to click on that. And it's going to give us two options: to generate a site with AI or customize a template. So we're going to click on the customize a template option and just browse their selection of templates that are already created. And we're going to come up here to the search section and type in portfolio. And here it has an artistic portfolio template. We're going to hit edit. And this will bring us to a page where we can change and edit the template any way we want. We can choose to enhance with AI. We're just going to skip over that for now. And it says it's creating the text for our website. And on the left-hand side of the screen, it'll give us different options for elements or sections and other options that we can add. And you can change the titles here to be whatever you want. It has a list of our projects, an about us, getting in touch, forms, and you're just going to use the options available to you in this editor to edit your portfolio that we've just created. And when you're done, you're going to go ahead and hit save. And we're going to hit save and continue. And here we are, it's saved already. We're going to hit done. And it'll just leave us back in the editor to change anything more if we want. So we've successfully created a portfolio using Wix. Please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching.